how to manage who can view informations on my profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and now click Hub. After that click this three lines here in the top corner, and once you're here click settings and then click privacy, and here we'll find it. Click on it and that's it. Here you can manage it, and I hope that can help you. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.